When we talk about decision making, they say there are so many ways in which we go through decision making. Ngam duang ways in which we pray, in which we decide. The first is we decide on what we feel. Nag-decision ka, tay decision mo nakabase daytay maririnam. And the other way for you to decide is to decide in the atmosphere of prayer. Most probably kada kayo kahit adupay dagitiwagas di pa nag-decision nyo. Yeah? But the two common ways of decision making is to decide based on what you feel and to decide in the atmosphere of prayer. And in the gospel for today, in fact, in many feasts of the apostles, the gospel is about Jesus choosing his apostles, 12 apostles. But the most important details of this gospel narrative is always at the beginning, because we always know the names of the apostles. Di naman nagbabago yan. And the premise of the decision of Jesus is that before he made the decision, he did not decide on what he feels. Mga nagdesisyon, ay, sila mariri na dito Simon Pedro nasaya na ito. Ano mga imbaga dito nga, he decided on what he felt. No. The decision of Jesus in choosing his apostles was not based on his emotion. Hanga nakabase daytay mariri na. Ngemti nagibasaran na daytoy nga decision na of the 12 apostles was his communion with God in the atmosphere of prayer. That is why that the decision niya po Jesus was certain and it was a perfect decision. Why? Because he did not base it on his emotion, kundi he based it on the atmosphere of prayer. And it's a good lesson for all of us. Kung nadangakan ka na yun, huwag kang magdidesisyon, do not decide on the height of your emotion. Most probably you have heard that many times. Why? If you decide based on your emotion and what you feel, the greater tendency is it's a failure. Why? Well, I have heard a priest who said, emotions are temporary. Decisions are permanent. Ulitin ka. No dami quotation tayo from a priest. I have heard this a few times from him. And he said, emotions are temporary. Decisions are permanent. Do not decide on what is permanent based on what is temporary. Hamong ibe-base dahil permanent nga bagay, banag, based on something that is temporary. So ano dat duma, no nagdesisyon ka based on your emotion, napukawen, nalpas dahil nga emosyon mon, ay nalpas kan. And Filipinos are like that. Many Filipinos are like that. When we decide not in that atmosphere of prayer, but we decide almost always based on what we feel. Nagdesisyon ka, tidingdinggam, di maririnam. Tidingdinggam, kumadapat, ta ibagbaga ni Apo Diyos King ka nga, i-desisyon mo. Those are two different things. When you decide and you listen to how you feel, or you decide on what God is telling you. In the atmosphere of prayer, kadwan na kada tayo, ti basis, medyo high na, ti emosyon, ag desisyon na kon. Tayo mo ilaang mariri namon, ti pagibas-basaram ti desisyon mo iti biyag. And sooner or later, you will realize you failed in that decision. So, you see, every day you make decision. Many are very light, and many are very heavy decision. Very big decisions. Agpili ka no sino asawaem. Agpili ka no ag-resign ka wano saan. Agpili ka no dahito iti ibutos mo wano saan. Agpili ka no itultuli mo dahito wano saan. Agpili ka no nagado ti choices and decisions we make every day. But let us imitate Jesus. We do not base our decisions on what we feel. Etay emosyon, iti marinam. No di basis, the correct decision making is what God is telling us in the atmosphere of prayer. And most probably, ulitek manana, dating bagatay padi. Emotions are temporary. Decisions in life are permanent. Do not base something that is permanent on something that is temporary. So sapay kumata, tunggal desisyon nga aramiden tayo iti panagbiag, innal daw da ito eh. We base it on what God is telling us in the atmosphere of prayer and not simply relying on our emotions, because sooner or later that emotion will pass away.